Hello, students. Today's topic is a chapter from the English Literature book of Standard 6, and the name of the chapter is How Daddy Decided What He Wanted to Be. This chapter has been written by Alexander Ruskin, who was a Russian writer and poet. Alexander Ruskin wrote a book on the same title, How Daddy Decided What He Wanted to Be, on his daddy's childhood. Ruskin was a great narrator, and he used to tell funny story of his daddy's childhood to his daughter. Dear students, I'm sure that you are also asked many questions like what would you become when you would grow up? And you would have different answers that you want to be a doctor, an engineer, a teacher, a writer, and so on. So, in this chapter, we would study that what little daddy wanted to be. So, the story starts that whenever little daddy was asked this question, that what would you become when you would grow up, little daddy always had an answer ready. And he started with that I want to be a night watchman. And why he wanted to be a night watchman? Because he thought it would be really amazing to be awake the whole night when everyone would be sleeping and only he would be making noise. But after that, he thought I'll be an ice cream man when he saw a green color ice cream cart. And he thought I'll eat one ice cream for the one I'll sell and I will give free treat to the little kids also. When little daddy's parents got to know about their son's idea of becoming an ice cream man, they found it really funny. But after this, little daddy changed his mind again because one day he saw a man, and that man, it was moving cars and locomotives. Actually, he was shunting the engines. Shunt means to move engines or a carriage from one railway line to another, and such person is called a shunter. So now daddy wanted to be a shunter because he thought it would be wonderful to play with the cars whole day. But then someone asked him that if you would be a shunter, then what about the ice cream? That was a problem. But daddy had decided to become a shunter now. But he could not give up the idea of becoming ice cream man also. So he found a way. He told that that's not a problem. In the morning, I'll sell the ice cream. And after that, I'll go and I'll shunt the cars. Then again, I'll go and I'll sell the ice creams. After that, again, I'll get back to the shunting. And for that, I'll park my ice cream car nearby the railway station so it would not take long. Now everyone laughed at him. Little daddy got angry and he told that if you are going to laugh at me, I'll be a night watchman. And at night, I'll disturb you all. Everyone thought that it was settled. But after that, daddy wanted to be a pilot, then daddy wanted to be an actor. And one day, when daddy's grandfather took him to a factory, daddy decided to be a turner. A turner is a person who operates a lathe. Lathe is a machine on which one can cut the big pieces of wood. And after that idea, daddy wanted to be a sailor, then a shepherd, because he thought that it would be good to spend time with cows and cracking his whip loudly at them. Cracking means making a sharp noise with a whip. But this thought didn't remain for a long. as now Daddy wanted to be a dog. And for that, he was on his all fours all day. On all fours means on one's hands and knees. The position of an infant when they start crawling. So Daddy was acting like a dog, and he in fact tried to bite an elderly lady when she wanted to pat his head. Pat means to touch quickly or gently with flat of hand. Daddy in fact spent time with Rover. Rover was a dog to learn quickly how to act like a dog. And one day when Daddy was walking down the street, he saw an officer coming there. And that officer asked him, "What are you doing?" Daddy said, "I want to be a dog." "Don't you want to remain human?" The officer said. "I've been a human being for a long time," Daddy said. "What sort of human being are you if you can't even be a dog? Is that what a human being is like?" Officer said this. After that, Daddy asked, "Well, what is he like?" In easy words, the officer told him that, what kind of human being are you if you can't even be a dog? So, is that what a human being is like? Think about it. An officer went away from there without laughing or smiling. Now, Daddy started thinking over, and as much as he was thinking, he was feeling ashamed. He was feeling ashamed because now he understood that what matters first. The most important thing is to be a human being first, and then only decide what to do next. And now Daddy promised to himself that I would not change my mind every day, and I would always keep this thing in my mind, that I want to be a human being. Now, if someone would ask him, "What do you want to be?" Daddy always answer, "I want to be a human being." And now nobody asked him, and nobody laughed at him. And Daddy also understood that this was the best answer. That first you have to be a good human being, because that is above everything. And for that you don't have to behave like a dog.